How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset your Lenovo monitor. Now, of course, there's a lot of ways in order to reset your monitor, but generally we are going to talk about the models that has the OSD controls. Now, doing it if your monitor supports it is extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to just look for the OSD controls. In most monitors, it's going to be below your screen right here, but for newer ones, it's going to be right behind the monitor itself with a joystick. So from there, you could press either one of these buttons and then the OSD control will show up, which will then look something like this. Inside this page, navigate through your advanced setting, or in this case, just navigate through the setting itself. So just select the factory default setting using the buttons right here or the joystick itself. And from there, you have successfully resetted your Lenovo monitor. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.